December 14, 2020, a day many Canadians eagerly waited for when the first COVID-19 vaccines were administered. Fast forwarding to now, when about 73% of Canadians over 12 are fully vaccinated and the rest are not.
A lot of the time, those people who aren't doing it, it's because they've been exposed to misinformation.
An Angus-Reid poll shows 75% of Canadians say they have no sympathy for unvaccinated people who get sick with COVID-19. The sentiment only rises with vaccinated Canadians at 83%. Assistant Professor of Behavioral Science Gordon Pennycook sees where people are coming from.
And they're putting effort into trying to move things ahead in terms of getting out of the pandemic. And I can see why it's frustrating that other people aren't doing it.
But he also says we should be empathetic because many unvaccinated Canadians may be genuinely scared.
It's more of a kind of leap of faith for them than it is for others. There still are people who just haven't seen the good arguments.
Pennycook says many vaccinated people are concerned that the pandemic will drag on longer than it needs to and will have more lockdowns, something many Canadians are frustrated by, leaving them with compassion fatigue.
We're literally talking about being tired of being compassionate. It has been tiring, it has been hard, and it has been going on for a very long time.
And that's why clinical psychologist Tessella Milani says many Canadians, including some healthcare workers, are low on empathy.
Here we have experts in the field who are giving us information that is very clear, very easy to understand, and yet there is a disconnect. But then we're also seeing it from those who are in the hospitals trying to save people's lives when those lives wouldn't have needed to be saved had those people likely been vaccinated.
But she says having patience is key to get through these challenging times with those who are unvaccinated and those going through compassion fatigue.
Being angry and being frustrated just makes our own lives harder and this whole situation that much more unbearable.
Sharmeen Somani, Global News.